Yep, we out of here. We out of here. Completely. Yeah, everything is gone. Yeah, it's all gone. We out of here. Yeah, remember? All the cables are gone. All the cables are gone. Everything is completely gone. We out of here. Kidding me? Everything is gone. So here. Okay. This up. Switch cabinet quickly. Alright. Switch cabinet here. Still going. Everything out of here. Totally. Moving day. Moving day. So gone. Everything is gone. Look at here. Everything is gone. And it's just echo all over the place. Yeah, look here. Oh yeah, everything is gone. Look at here. And the echo around. Yeah. I went to the new place, old data center. The old. And the new one's coming soon. Okay, no, because the thing here is that I moved everything already.
Okay, did you move the PABX and the core switch and everything?
Yeah, I moved all of them.
Wow.
Yeah, so I have all the switch. I have all the switches out. I have the PABX system out. I have your MikroTik router board. I have the firewall. I have everything completely out.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, and I moved the cabinets also, all the cabinets. So inside the data center is empty completely.
Hey.
Yeah.
Yo, Bush, that's a good job, man.
Yeah, you know. So I moved everything to the new site.